All right, John McKeag here with Liberty Gate Academy. I'm just going to do a one topic video here. You know, if you have a business in America, doesn't matter what kind, and you're paying income tax to the IRS, you can end that within 1 week forever, and you could do it legally. I do so many, having this trust and teaching people how to use this trust and how easy it is to open and use this trust has many benefits. But I think I'm going to focus more on the business people because, well, they have less mind control around money. Their goal is to make more money. If you're in business, that's what you do it. You try to do what you love or whatever in business, but you're trying to make money. So, having this trust and using this for any business immediately adds to your bottom line because you don't pay the IRS anything. Also, money savings immediately, right? Immediately. You don't need an accountant. No, because you're not going to be filing with the IRS ever again. You don't need an accountant. So, and you don't need to compile any financial information for any reporting to any, IRS anything. You're never going to have to fill out any kind of form with the IRS ever again for your business. All you do is open up this trust. You have my business is an LLC or a C Corp, S Corp, blah, 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 right? I don't know if I could do what you're saying. This is so incredibly simple. I can't imagine why every single business in America isn't doing this. Every single business in America qualifies to do this. Every single one. And pay no income taxes to the IRS and never report to the IRS. Literally every single business in the United States qualifies to do this. And we teach you how. So I'm going to put out some more information focused on business people, okay? Because, you can end all income taxes for your business within 1 week, really within a day, you know? It's so easy to do this. And, you know, everyone, you know, I help personally or whatever, families and all those people, they're just under such ridiculous amount of mind control that I have to explain money to them and stuff. Business people already know that, they're already okay. I'm in business, I understand money, and so I was like, would you like to immediately make more money starting this coming week, and it'll only take a few hours of your time, and you'll always make more money, always this will always add to your bottom line forever. And as a business person too, you're concerned about making money, but you're also like, how can I use my time most efficiently so I don't have to work as hard, right? So I don't have to work as hard. Well, if you're not compiling financial information to give the IRS, well, that's all that time back. In fact, you know, your business will be managed better because you no longer have to keep two sets of books. One set of books for the IRS to report taxes, and the other set of books you're going to need just to manage your information of finances in a way that works for your business. You know, uh, f- management accounting. So you make money. So you're not now doing twice as much accounting as you need to. You're only doing the accounting you need to watch over your numbers for your money, for your business, and that's it. You're just watching the money for your business. Uh, this is 100% legal for every business to do in America. There's no exception of any kind to any business that could do this. I don't understand why business people don't take advantage of this immediately. I've been posting proof for a decade. All my proof, I do everything I say first. I always post my proof first. And now I don't know, we have dozens and dozens of testimonials. They have notarized affidavits with them proving they're all real. All this work is copyrighted. I've got an MBA, a master's in accounting. I've been in business 40 years. Okay? I'm an accountant. All right? I'm the one that figured this out. And I have proof. So your mind control programming that says no, you can't do that. That doesn't. That's just you blocking you. That's not me doing that because the proof's been out there for so long. I've been doing this for so many years. We help all of our clients here. We teach everyone how to do this. Everyone in America that comes to us is successful. There are no exceptions whatsoever. Are there so many benefits to this? Personally, well above what I just mentioned. So many, so many. Absolutely so many. But can you imagine you have a business in America and you're paying income taxes to the IRS and you're filling out forms to the IRS? What a waste of your life and money. You're just throwing away. Just light it on fire, you know? What's the point of doing that? You could immediately put it in your bank account. You control a trust and never pay the IRS forever. Never fill out a form to the IRS. The IRS is the one that makes it legal to do this. Okay, you're not getting over on the IRS in any way, shape, or form. No, no. They're the ones that give the EIN to this trust. They're the ones that make this an automatic 501c3 status trust. No, you're not getting over on the IRS. You're simply learning that this is a possibility and that the IRS does that. You know, you can do this. Anyone can do this. So we teach our students how to do it. It's very quick, especially for business people. There's no, oh, you have to explain money to them. Oh my God, it's so easy. They're like, what? All I do is switch on my bank account? Yeah, that's it. That's all. Literally. That's it. And you can bank where you're currently banking. No problem. Just you're going to get a debit card where you have to bank. Yeah, we currently have a debit card. So, and all income tax for every single business to the IRS, right? And all income tax for any business in America immediately within 1 week. And in fact, I also can teach you how to do you owe back taxes for that LLC or whatever. I can teach you how to get out of those too. And this stuff is I've been doing this for a while now with proof. I don't want to sound like I'm not egotistical. I'm not. I'm just being frank and honest. I'm the accountant that posts proof. Your accountant doesn't post proof of anything. They just read some documents from the IRS and tell you you got to do this. I post proof. I do this, and then I'm like, see, this is what you do. I did it. Anyone can do it. Here's all the clients doing it. Here's all the students doing it. Anyone can do this. I show the proof first. Then I'm like, oh, do you want to do this? I'll explain how. I'll teach you. Just get in this course. You'll have your trust open in a week. That's it. You know? You could have it open in one business day, really, like in 24 hours if you really wanted to get it done. Any business, automatically income tax free. There's so many other benefits to this, but I just wanted to do, uh, like a short, focused discussion for business people because I can't imagine why I don't have thousands of business owners per day lining up on my website. I don't understand. You have to consider letting go of your mind control and following the law. You have to consider following the rules of the IRS. Consider that, you know? If you'd like to not pay the IRS any money, consider following their rules. Consider getting a better accountant. Consider getting an accountant that can teach you, show you the laws, and teach you how to do this yourself. It's so, honestly, again, I don't want to sound egotistical, but this is one of the easiest things I've ever done in my lifetime. I just want to say, this is so easy to do. We set it up so it's absolutely infallible. Every single student that comes to us can do this. There's no one that doesn't have success. It's 100% successful, and anyone can do this with their business in America. Anyone. Absolutely anyone. Oh, I'm a general contractor. I do real estate. Whatever your list is. I resell on eBay. Anything you do to make money and you have to pay the IRS, any reason, you can end that immediately in one day. I don't think people understand the simplicity of this. This, any bank, okay, where you're currently banking, get a second bank. Bank has a bank account at another bank as a bank. Excuse me. as a backup. You know what I'm saying? Like, get a Schwab account, get a TD Ameritrade account, get a crypto account. Yeah, you could do so many things with this trust. But listen, business people, have you ever considered adding to your bottom line by not paying the IRS a penny and not reporting to the IRS and not going to your accountant anymore? No reason to go there. All that time and money comes back to you the day you open this trust. That day. And you could do it this week. Literally. You could get the information this week and read it and start your trust money, and you don't owe the IRS any more taxes from that moment forward. That's it. And no reporting. That's it. Immediate. And here I am on YouTube Live, ending all income tax in America for every business with proof. Our channel has hundreds, literally hundreds of videos of proof. Hundreds. Not like, oh, you got to see this special segment of this one video. No, hundreds of videos of proof. Okay? And nobody even has a question in chat. Nobody even has a comeback. Like, I'm just shocked and amazed at America, really. I really am. Like, there there are 9 viewers on YouTube Live right now, and I have a decade of proof, hundreds of videos of everyone is successfully using this method, right? Everyone. And I copyrighted this. I'm the only one doing this with copyright. I got 40 years experience. And I don't know what is going on in your head, Mr. or Mrs. Business Owner. You're listening to this right now, and you're going, well, I don't know if that applies to me. What is going on in your mind that you cannot go look at the testimonials and proof and save I don't know, you're going to save thousands a year? Are you going to save, how many hours a year? Are you going to save hundreds of hours a year? Are you going to save thousands? Are you going to save tens of thousands of dollars a year? Are you going to save millions? You know? And then when you save all that money, what will you put it into, right? Put it back into your business, grow your business. What are you going to do? But can you imagine that, we live in a society now where censorship is so ubiquitous. It's the only thing we can count on is censorship in America. You can't count on anything else in America except for censorship of the truth. Now we're down to 7 viewers. Every single individual who's paying a penny to the IRS, personal, business, whatever, you can get out of it this year, and you can do it with this week. You can end it. Every single individual that is paying any penny to the IRS can legally end it, and you could get that exception and that legal method from the IRS. That's what I teach you. This is so easy. You know what? The only difficult thing is getting over your mind control. The ability to do this, because the wealthy elite created this pathway, right? So their businesses owe no money, they owe no taxes, not ever. And so you can see the obviousness of that, right? And the proof of that. They never have their taxes, no presidents, so we can't show you the taxes. Oh yeah, right. That's great. I can't show you mine either. Isn't that fantastic? Yeah, I can't show you any tax forms. Nope, can't do it. And that would be every business owner. So, I don't know. I think what I'm getting out of this, America, is intelligent humans are a hoax, right? Average guy. Hey. Intelligent human beings are a hoax. That's why, come on, business people. This is so easy. I literally have, I say I have hundreds of videos. I wonder if I have thousands, including all I probably have a thousand unlisted videos now. So I don't know, maybe I have thousands of videos I made. I've definitely made hundreds of videos on this topic and posted proof for so many years. And all you business people, what are you doing? Why are you paying tax to the IRS? You know what? You can operate your business, and at the end of the year, you could not owe any business tax. no income tax to the IRS, no reporting to the IRS. And if you love them, right, and what they're doing for you every year, the United States government, okay, if you love them and you love what they're doing for you every year, you can tip them. You can send them money at the end of the year. Hey, hey, you did a great job. I'm not saying, uh, you know, don't pay the government. If you want to pay the government, go right ahead. Just don't make it mandatory to do so. You see? Don't make it, oh, I'm required to pay. Okay. Well, you could do it if you think it's ethical or moral to pay the government money, go right ahead. No one's stopping you. I'm just making it so you legally don't have to. And the government has this pathway available. You just may not know about it because they don't teach it in school. I have an MBA, I have a master's in accounting, I have 40 years of experience. I have the proof posted I figured this out. I'm sorry your accountant just sat back and filled out a bunch of tax forms and really didn't help anyone and lined their own pockets. I didn't do that, okay? I never filled out a tax form as an accountant. Not once for anyone. No, never. I was an auditor. Okay, that's it. And as far as looking around as what's going on with the taxes, it was just so easy to see some people are paying and some people aren't. I mean, my God. And there aren't forms involved that are not paying. That was so easy. Lewis point. So, Jack, on your Patreon, you have 3 different tiers. Uh, I mean, I I just made videos about that. Each tier has different information. The mentor program has like all the free hacks in it, Lewis. That you get with a trust. The second tier includes the first tier, the mentor one, right? The inner circle tier, the second tier, includes the first tier, but it also has my book and the spiritual information and hidden, you know, technology. For example, how to get a free house in 1 hour or less with no paperwork in any country, works 100% of the time. What the time loop is, the exact date of the time loop, when it starts, the end day, judgment day, as they call it, or whatever, right? What day that is, and it's coming soon, obviously, and the exact date of that, and that information, and so on and so on. The hidden truth of the entire system that's hidden. I know every single detail, and I put it in the inner circle. If you'd like to know every single hidden piece of information that exists, you get that in the inner circle. And it's not just, a description of the problems we find ourselves in. It's 100% the solution is in there too. Okay? It would be pretty stupid if I just put the problems in there like everybody else does in their books and no 100% solution. What's the point of writing a book about that? That would be stupid. And the supporting documentation and information and so on. And the training that goes with it. Then the last one is the VIP accounting, financial accounting 101. That's our debt removal stuff, and that is over in its own tier, its highest tier. And all those tiers get me one-on-one directly, only me, one-on-one, no one else. You message me, you get it. Patreon is a much more interactive teaching platform, so it's just a lot easier to interact with people and get them, people the real training they need. It's all from scratch. It's no old training. Post, uh, pandemic, nonsense because they switched up a few things. I just made it all fresh and new. Why? This stuff's. I mean, I get you don't have 40 years experience. You don't have a master's degree in accounting. You don't have an MBA. You don't have 50 court cases you've done against the bankers. I'm the only human alive that has done that. You see, so I figured out the truth. Right? I figured out the truth, and I have it. You want to do all those things? Go ahead. Right? You'll figure out the truth too. You got 40 years. Actually, you don't. I used to already, and this is the information I found out. So, am I accused of gaming the system? I hope so. Please keep accusing me of that because that's exactly what I'm doing. I did not create the system. I turned it into a game where every one of our students wins. You pay to get in a course, and you get so much more money back that first year and every year after that. Forever. And the government keeps sending more money, and you never give them one penny from here on out. They just give you money. So, total switch up. Average guy, binge watched many videos before I got my head around it. Accountant suck, right? Like, let's say every other accountant sucks but me. How's that? And that's what you learned in that, right? I mean, intelligent accountants are a hoax, except for this one. I mean, this is so easy. Honestly, once you figure it out, all you do is go open this particular kind of bank account with this particular EIN, and then that's it. You beat them forever on money. Nobody touches the money. No, nothing. That's it. You made it. You made it across. You crossed the line. You beat the game. That's what happens when you do this immediately. Average guy, HR Block and many others just fill out forms on a computer. Right. Puerto Rico. That's what people think that it's in Puerto Rico. Of course, I have a copy of their Articles of Incorporation that started the IRS, a copy of that, and it's actually not in Puerto Rico. Maybe there's some other papers that moved in and whatnot, but no, it started in New York. New York. So, yeah. So anyway, the focus of this video is any business in America, absolutely any business. If you're paying the IRS any money, you have a really crappy account, okay? You need to get in our school, learn this information. You'll never owe the IRS a penny again, and you'll never have to fill out a tax form to the IRS ever again. Yeah, but your accountant has like a $5,000 suit and a really fancy car, and they have their own office and everything. And they speak really importantly to you, like they know what they're talking about. And they're saying, you have to pay taxes. Well, see, they're only allowed to tell you because they have a public license, right? A CPA, Certified Public Accountant. They get a license. And they have to follow the rules of that license, which include not telling you about this trust. This is a private trust. This is what's called a non-statutory trust. I can teach you how to start this trust on your own, get an EIN, go start a bank account, take you only, one day. That's it. Well, but how does that make the lawyers and accountants money? It doesn't. It doesn't make them any money. How does that make the government any money? No, it doesn't. It doesn't make them any money. Why would they be telling you about it? Come on. This is so easy, so simple, and so proven. I mean, I've been doing this for a decade, and your mind control, your head is still the only thing blocking you from having a healthy, easy financial life. I have such a hard time getting through your mind control, but I have no problem whatsoever doing this financial work. This is like, pushing the first domino. Bing, so easy. This is actually the easiest financial stuff that there is possibly to do of any kind that exists. You don't like financial stuff? I'm an accountant, but honestly, neither do I. I don't like doing it. I don't like them taking my money. I like to have money in my bank account, you follow? I don't like to give it away. So it's like, okay, how do I do that? That's what accountants do, right? So simple. All right. Email us, go look at the testimonials, what have you. Why, I don't know what's going on with you business owners. I don't get it. Do you not like yourselves very much? I have to pay a penance to the IRS. They're not a church. They're not God. Nothing like that, right? They're not going to absolve any sins of yours. They have a method where you can legally get out of paying them, the IRS. So help me out here. What are you doing? I don't get it. Isn't a business person supposed to be like, oh, let's add to the bottom line. I'm supposed to make more money, right? Revenue minus expenses equals profit. If you reduce your expenses, isn't that what you're supposed to do? Why? I mean, how can I not get across business 101 information of business people? All you do is open this trust and you don't owe income taxes to the IRS. I can get you other tax. Oh my God, yeah, they go along with this. But I mean, just think of that one thing. does that help you, every single business owner in America? I mean, you still get credit. You don't give up anything to do this. Nothing. You give up nothing. You don't give up your money. You don't give up your time. You know, you bank in the same bank. You help the same clientele. Nothing. This is a 100% back end thing. The only thing you do is change it out your business account, or your bank account. That's the only thing that is required. You go to the bank and you get a new bank account, and that's it. Nothing else, honestly, to change your business, to no owing money to the IRS and not filling out a single form of the IRS. Can you even imagine? No, yeah. I could get them out of state tax and blah, blah, blah. Of course, average guy, yes. And so many other things, but I'm like, how do I get across to people? I mean, I'm beginning to wonder if just regular people, I can't get through their mind control, like, maybe not ever. You know what I mean? I'm here every week and just nobody shows up pretty much. And, but maybe the business people, you know? Do you know you're supposed to make more money than than you pay out? Do you know that's business? Do you business people even know that about business? It shocks me that you don't want to add this to your bottom line. How could you not do this? I have testimonials from other business people. What is going on with you? Come on. This is what the wealthy elite operate all their businesses this way. All of them. President, I can't show you my income tax. Oh, really? That's convenient. How do I do that? This is how you do it. My goodness. Anyway. Business people, what do I have to do to get through to you? I've been posting proof for, overtime, hundreds of proof videos. I have time of proof. I have quantity of proof. I have the IRS sanctioning this, saying this is 100% legal. I've got the SBA to show documents that this is 100% legal. Give $150,000 for my trust for EIDL. PPP, giving money, on and on and on. Your mind control saying this is illegal. The government is sending money to this trust. The IRS says it's legal. The banks say it's legal. How can you say they're all wrong? I don't get it. As a business owner, you're like, why can't you do that? Why? You're saying Chase Bank is wrong. Oh, okay. The IRS, they're wrong. Oh, okay. The SBA is wrong. But you're right. You know more than that. What are you doing? I don't get this. You could complete this process of adding to your bottom line and your time and not pay an accountant ever again and not pay income tax ever again. Right? And you could do it in less than a week. You could really do it in a day. Aren't you supposed to be adding to your bottom line and your ease of life as a business owner? I think actually I'm the only one you could see that's really doing that for you. I'm going to get you time back. I'm going to get you money back. And you're not going to need me as an accountant. I'm giving my knowledge away too. So you don't even need me anymore. And it's simple. You're a business owner, so I can explain this to you. It's so simply. And keep the knowledge. Go forward. And use this for the rest of your life. For your family, whatever. What are you waiting for? I don't even know. All right, people. That's what I wanted to talk about today. I went live hoping there'd be some business individual I could reach in America of the, hundreds of billions of business owners here, whatever. Let's say there are tens of millions of business owners. You know how many are on this live stream here? My school has been around for a decade now. This information, a decade. Come on. And I can't help you. Why not? What's going on? Why are these other accountants up and down every street taking everybody's money? And there's one guy here, one. And he's not even that busy. I'm telling you, I'm not even that busy. You have hardly any clients at all over here. It's unbelievable. We're just like twiddling our thumbs over here like, did we get them all? Did we get everyone that's intelligent in America already? Maybe everyone is intelligent? We already got to them. And the rest are watching TV. We can't help them. That might have happened. All right, average guy, everybody come by. Thanks for coming by. I'm just preaching to the choir here. This crew already has the trust and stuff. I recognize all these names and everyone. So they already know how to do this. And so I can't even reach you. I can't even go live on YouTube after being on. I have been on YouTube for 1 decade, posting several thousand videos, going live twice a week. I have less than 5,000 followers in a decade of posting proof, and not literally no one else posts proof. No other human. I have less than 5,000 followers. It's just shocking. That's why I say intelligent humans, I think maybe they're a hoax, right? Maybe it's just me and a couple of them. Maybe I already interacted with every single intelligent human besides myself and our already existing clients. Is that possible? I think I'm beginning to think that. Is that possible? Might be possible. Let me know. Anyway, we're here to help you. This is so simple, ready at any time.